Uhambo olude nobelunzima kakhulu lokubuyela ekhaya kube ilinxusa lakuleli zwe eFrance.
He came back with the son of the soil. To present him to his family, to present him to his children, to present him to the people of South Africa. Nangu lapha kwenu nathi. It was not easy. Siyokhuluma lokho ngelinye ilanga. But I must thank uMabuthelenzi uphilisiwe. Ngoba kuba besihambela sodwa nje ngabe sisathithiza nabantu eFrance ngoba isiFrench asivuki. Inhlanhla uMabuthelenzi kube ibambele akhale avukele khona. Bafanele kuyoma prosecutor, siyama prosecutor. Bafanele kuye ku-health kuphi siyakhona. Bafanele kuye emamochari sihamba naye. Siyabonga ke Mthaka baba ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi lesi simo uphinde ukwazi futhi ukuthi usihola.
Isidumbu sikaMthethwa sehliswe endizeni ebisuka e-OR Tambo eGauteng safakwa ezimotweni zabangcwabi icebo lethu sibese simukelwa ngamalungu amkantshubomvu kaKhongolose. Kube umunye wodwa eqenjini ANC nasemndenini obuzohlangabeza uMthethwa.
It is a very sad moment today, but we're happy that his mortal remains eventually have come back to South Africa. Like I've said previously, he and I played a very pivotal role in bringing the mortal remains of our stalwarts and heroes, Moses Kotane and J.B. Marks, way back from Moscow. Now today, we are honoring him by receiving him here, his mortal remains here at King Shaka International Airport.
Ukusuka lapha isidumbu sikaMthethwa sohamba ngemoto siye emakhazini asecebo lethu eMpangeni. uMthethwa uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina ngesonto ngaphambi kwenkonzo yomngcwabo ezobanjelwa enkundleni yezemidlalo iDondotha. Uhlonishwe ngomngcwabo wombuso osesigabeni sesibili.